good evening, Theme Box Gamers, from the Thorpe Shark, where me and the Thrill Seeker are staying tonight. It's really exciting actually, because we did this last year, we stayed in the Swarm room. However, this year, we are staying in a standards room in the Thorpe Shark. Now, this has cost us £164 for the night through the Berlin Holiday Club. Isn't too bad, and we are very much looking forward to it. Anyway, come join us. In order to access the Thorpe Shark, you have to actually go across the bridge from the dome to the exit and go down that little path there. So it's quite useful. So we're walking down a lovely path, and you've got lovely welcome reception and the Thorpe Shark itself, the entrance. There's some lovely staff members in there who help you out with any questions regardless of what you have while you're staying here at the Thorpe Shark. So this is the key to our shark cabin. We are in cabin 111, which is down on the low level, looking out towards the lake and the car park. Come and join us. So here we are, cabin 111. Now we have been in here a bit well, so excuse me. So welcome to a normal Thorpe Shark cabin room. So you can see here we've got a lovely design, and at the moment that I do actually have that on my towel. We've got a big double bed. The stuff does not come with it, that is mine. There's Hypey, hello Hypey. There's Jake, aka Mini Thrill Seeker. We have bed lights on beds. Got a set of bunk beds. So top bunk, bottom bunk, I was gonna say, just excuse the mess, this is mine. Got all various bits and pieces. The snacks don't come with it, because that is all mine. I personally not wearing shoes. That is my holder. Got tea, coffee facilities. Light switches here. The right switch is mood lighting, which is for this light here, and the left switch, this one, is for the main lights itself. There's me. I will turn my up and off in a moment. We've got a TV in here, LG, because life is good. Inside this pot, you do get your tea and coffee facilities, including a kettle, which I do give. You get a bottle of water. You cannot use tap water here at Thorpe Park. Light here takes you into the bathroom. So walk-in bathroom. So you've got toilet, standard toilet, sink, my stuff there. Shower, rainfall shower, very nice. You got your sanitary air conditioner. Ooh, very nice. Not H2, that's good. But yeah, it's a space, it's a bed, it's a base for the night. And obviously you do get a major perks. You get fast track for the following day, you get dinner, you get breakfast. Well, dinner you have to pay for, breakfast you should get included, which is very nice. I've got breakfast booked for tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. I've got dinner booked this evening at 8:15, so I may go slightly earlier because obviously other things have happened, but that's not a huge video. Anyway, so yeah, I will see you guys in a moment where we're going to go into Vibes and have some dinner. Up in Vibes, so just as entertainment, I'll actually include a screenshot as to what happened. We basically did a Kahoot, and me and Jake came second on the Kahoot, so I will give that one, which is awesome. I really give that one. I did fantastic actually as well, because some of the questions came up. I knew my answers for it straight away. My maths is quite good, my general knowledge is pretty good, my Thorpe Park knowledge as well. People know that one pretty well, especially when you get the Fright Nights questions right, because obviously John's letting me 3 minutes of Fright Nights. More content coming hopefully from Fright Nights this year, because I want to actually include and do a neurodivergent point of view for amazing this year. Because my voice is starting to go, obviously I have been here all day and I'm here all day tomorrow. Anyway, we're going to head back to the room, go and have a chill out. I'll see you tomorrow morning. We're back here in Vibes for a fluffy breakfast before we head back into the park for day 2. If you haven't checked it out already, go check out day 1. Link down there in the description down below from our video we filmed yesterday. See you guys in the morning. Bye guys. A very good morning, Theme Box Gamers. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Not bad. Very good sleep last night. I slept pretty well. Just made myself a morning cup of coffee. And yeah, day 2 here at Thorpe Park. Bags all dropped off. Just got Mini Thrill Seeker, and obviously my drawstring on my bag and my lunchbox, because of one of those things. I've actually tied my Crocs to my lunchbox I've got with day 2 today. Yeah, gonna head into Vibes now for some breakfast. To get to Vibes, you have to go in for the dome. It's quite nice being on top early. And it's literally on the left hand side. So just going to have some morning breakfast this morning. And Mini Thrill Seeker hungry, aren't you? Hungry Mini Thrill Seeker this morning. So before we go sit down, you have got all your cereals, cornflakes, brown flakes, rice cookies, cracker pops, your various milks. Oh, look good. All your stuff. So you got mini croissants, pie chocolates, pancakes, big waffles. There you go. Tomatoes, mushrooms, sausages, baked beans, scrambled eggs. Not huge scrambled egg fan. Bacon, sausages, hash browns. Very nice. 100 lemon grapes, natural yogurt. Yeah, good selection. For breakfast. So I have made myself a sausage sandwich, 2 pounds of chocolate, coffee, and oranges. There's Jakey. Breakfast, I'm going to get a solid 8 out of 10. The only thing that I would change, personally, in my opinion, is fried eggs. I need fried eggs over scrambled, but that wasn't too bad. My overall thoughts to the Thorpe shot this time. I actually feel like I've had a really good stay this time. I slept really well last night, the bed's really comfortable. The only thing that has her down slightly is was breakfast this morning. It has scrambled eggs rather than fried. I'm personally a fried eggs fan myself, but really good. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out yesterday's vlog from our first day at Thorpe Park and join us on our next vlog for day 2, which we'll be filming today. Keep riding, keep screaming. See you guys soon, guys.